Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So back when I was doing YouTube more consistently, there was one type of video that seemed to be very interesting to you guys, and then I kind of fell off the face of the earth and haven't done them for a while, but today I'm going to be doing a KnitCrate unboxing for you. Yes, I am still getting these. I've gotten them since right after my daughter was born, so I've been getting these subscriptions for quite a while and I absolutely love them. They are so much fun. KnitCrate does send me these for review purposes, so just so we're all clear on that, I do have a coupon code for 20% off your first subscription if you would like that. It's Pearls20 and I will leave that in the description box below for you. But yes, everyone seems to love these and I do too. Plus, I took a little sneak peek at what might be in here and I'm really excited to open it up. But yes, I did want to tell you about this bag though, because this is something that they switched over, I think it was last month. These bags are 100% biodegradable, so you can compost them or recycle them, which is amazing. I love that. So yes, let's hop right into this. I don't have any finished projects to show you from last month's KnitCrate. I've been so focused on trying to get the kids' Christmas sweaters done that it's kind of been on the back burner, which is sad because one of the patterns from last month was a baby sweater that would actually fit Charlie, and the colorway that I got is like a blue, which was amazing. So I'm gonna have to do that, and maybe if I can get that done for next month, then I can show you. But as for right now, we're just gonna be unbagging this guy here. So let's pop this open. This might be a little loud, but oh my goodness, this is interesting. So there are actually more bags inside. I didn't expect that. I do get the main crate and the sock crate. I thought that this was just the main crate, but I think that this is the sock crate as well, which is awesome that they would send it together. So let's start with this one. I believe that this is the main crate, and here's more noise. Sorry about that. So the first thing in here is this card. This talks about the theme for the month. So December's KnitCrate theme was squad goals, and this card is also where you get the information on how to download the booklet for this crate. So in the booklet, you get 4 total patterns. You get 2 for the membership crate and 2 for the sock crate, 1 knitting pattern and 1 crochet pattern for each. So I think that's awesome. And I also love that they don't print the booklet anymore. I was awful. I would lose my booklets so frequently, and it's nice now to just be able to download them to my phone so that I'm not losing them. It's also better for the environment, so it's a win-win sort of situation. So I did download the booklet onto my phone quick so I could talk you through what the patterns were, and I'll try to include pictures here. And for the knitting pattern, it was the Woodstock Shawl by Vanessa Knits, and this is a really cool, like, kind of a cocoony, very airy sort of shawl. It also has some tassels on the edge, which I think are really fun. I do have a tassel maker, which is so much fun. So yeah, I love that. However, I might do the crochet pattern this month, and that one is the Snowfall Scarf by Talia's Crochet Creations. This one is another very airy sort of scarf, and I love it. The fringe on the bottom is amazing, and I just think that this would go well with the kinds of items that I have in my closet. So yeah, I might switch it up and do a crochet pattern this month, but we'll see. I'll show you what I end up doing in next month's KnitCrate unboxing. So let's move on to the yarn that I got in my box. And these, you get 2 skeins, and this is the Audien Wool's Twinkle DK yarn, and the colorway is roller skates. So I love that. It's kind of a taupey, kind of gray with a little bit of a green tone to it. Super sparkly. I'm sure it's not coming across on camera, but I love working with Stellina yarn. It's just so much fun and kind of a different sort of thing. I have actually been doing a lot of Stellina for my daughter, but it'll be fun to do some for me as well. And this is made out of 80% merino wool, 10% cashmere, and then 10% Stellina. So yeah, really excited. I'm I'm more than likely going to be doing that Snowfall Scarf now. I think that this is so, so pretty. The last thing in here, they do also include an extra, is this, and this looks like a project bag. Oh my goodness, how funny is that? It says Yarn Squad on here, and this totally takes me back to high school. I think it was our volleyball team had these. I was not a volleyball player, but yeah, I remember these little backpacks from high school, and I think that that's so funny, so cute. I love that, and it's a nice thing to have when you're trying to keep yarn away from little fingers, so love that. And now let's move on to the sock crate. Before I open this up, I'm going to just take a quick look at my pattern booklet so that I can describe the patterns to you before we find out what yarn I got. So the knitting pattern is Centered by Amy Hansen from Yarngerie, and these are really cool looking. They do not have a heel, but I think you can add one. So let me see. Yes, there are two styles here, and so you can do a yoga sock without the heel, or you can do one with a heel. I'm thinking I'm probably going to do one with a heel, but they do look fun without it, doesn't it? And I have done more yoga recently, so I don't know, might be a fun one to do. And then the other one is Perfect Ranks. This is the crochet pattern by Abby Swanson, and these look so cozy. If I felt a little bit more comfortable with my crochet skills in terms of making a sock, I would totally make these. I really, really want a pair of slippers, but yeah, I'm not as confident with my crocheting, so I might be just doing the yoga socks or something, but it would be kind of fun to do a no heel sock. I've never even thought about doing that. So anyway, let's open this up and see what yarn I have to work with. So this, ooh, they really got me on the color schemes. You can choose your color scheme. There's like Energize Me, Cool Tone one, and then the All Natural. And I am definitely a natural person, but I do have my profile set to Surprise Me, so it can be whatever they send. And this one is the Uru Yarn Unicorn Sock in the colorway Hot Cocoa. So it's just a very basic brown with these little hints of white in there that kind of make it almost a tweed looking color. I really like that. So this is a 75% superwash merino, 15% Donegal Neps, 10% nylon. So really good sock yarn. I'm really excited to work with this. And oh gosh, I wish I was better at crocheting, because this feels like it could be a really nice slipper. I really, really like that. And it does. It looks like hot cocoa, doesn't it? I think so. Anyway, let's see what their extra is. Ooh, this is nice. This is a little pouch. I am constantly losing stitch markers and yarn needles and all of that. So I think that you're supposed to put that kind of stuff in here, which is awesome. Hopefully I won't lose them quite as frequently. I think I'm down to my last yarn needle actually. So yeah, I need to probably either find my other ones or replace them, and maybe I'll just stick them right in here right away. So that is my December knit crate. I have really missed doing these and missed doing the projects, so I'm really excited to get to work on these. And another fun little announcement that I wanted to share with you is that I am planning on doing kind of a monthly recap every month for my knitting, like what I've been working on. So current projects, finished projects, all of that. And since my Vlogmas series got over, I have gotten a few more things done and started. So I think you'll really enjoy that as well. But as for right now, I'm gonna get going, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.